You have all these parts, right? First, big chamber goes in all the way,
And then lock, yeah?
and then tighten it, yeah, so it doesn't move. Then goes this spiral thingy that pushes the meat. You have to find the exact nook there. You can see there's, you gotta match it up with that thingy. That's in. And then this guy, the blade part out, so it's nice and flat. After that, this grinder part. And it's supposed to like stick out a little bit. So you see that little knock will hold it in place, and then you just find the thread and tighten it, and it should work.